Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you what is buy stop and sell stop and how to use it on Mt4 trading platform. Buy stop and sell stop are the types of limit orders that allow you to place a trade at the desired price that would open when the price reaches your level in the future. By the way, if you don't know about different types of orders, you can check out the video by clicking the I button. Now, a buy stop order is an instruction to the broker to buy a currency pair at a desired or specified level, and a sell stop order is an instruction to the broker to sell a currency pair at desired or specified level. Now, many of you must be thinking, buy limit and sell limit is also used for the same thing. Then what is the difference between both? Well, in buy limit and sell limit, the order should be above the specified price to enter a buy limit and vice versa. So if you haven't watched the video on the buy limit and sell limit, you can check it out by clicking the I button. Now, to enter a buy stop, the current price should be below the specified level, and to enter a sell stop, the current price should be above the specified level. Buy stop and sell stop are mostly used by breakout traders, that is, traders who get into a trade when an important level is breached by the price. Let us try to understand this. Let us say you are a breakout trader and on Euro USD you found that the price is forming a bearish flag. But for you to enter the trade, you will first have to wait for the price to break out of the flag. But many times you may be busy with something else and may not have enough time to keep checking the breakout to happen. So you cannot do anything about that. Crap, you missed the opportunity. Wait, something can be done. Yes, you can use a sell stop order. For that, you first have to identify the level which will confirm your breakout. Let us say in this example, if the price goes to 1.12276, you can open a sell stop order at 1.12276 level. And when the price reaches your level, the trade will be automatically opened. Yes, sell stop saved you from losing an opportunity. Now, let's see how to set a sell stop or buy stop order. To place a stop order on Mt4 or Mt5 trading platform, right click on the chart, go to trading and choose new order. Now choose the currency pair on which you want to place a stop order. In the type of order, choose pending order. In the type of limit order, choose the buy stop if you want to place a buy stop, or choose the sell stop if you want to place a sell stop. Now enter the lot size over here, enter the price over here. Like, let's say you want to open a sell stop on 1.12276, set the stop loss and take profit. Now in expiration time, choose the limit period for which you want to keep this order valid. Here GTC means good till cancelled, that is, the order will stay intact until you don't cancel it. If you choose today, this order will get cancelled if the price doesn't come to your price level on that particular day. If you choose specified, you can enter the date and time, and in the specified day, you can enter the date. After you are done with everything, click on the place button and your order will be placed. The order will be visible here and you can easily modify or delete the order by double clicking on it. Now for those who use Mt4 on smartphones, to place buy or sell stop, go to trade option. Now select the currency pair on which you want to open a buy or sell stop order. Click on the market execution. Now choose the order type. Enter the lot size here. Now the price at which you want to place a buy stop or sell stop. Set the take profit and stop loss. Expiration time if you want to, and click on place. Your order will be placed.